New fucking phone has arrived. About fucking time. Fuck! My god, I've had to wait like over a month because of COVID. The fucking delay, the delivery delay, and like the supply delay from Apple or whatever had gotten slowed down. So fucking kill me. So I had to wait like nearly another full month for it to be delivered. But it's here. Yeah. Fucking time. I'm gonna break my phone. It's fragile. What am I doing? Jesus. So I got a phone and I actually ordered a couple cases off Trade Me for my phone. Fucking nah, let's rip into it. Let's go. Now I wouldn't usually use my karambit, or one of my karambits I should say, to open packages, but this one's special, so I guess the special Doppler. Let's get into it. Fuck yeah, dude. And remember, if you watch the video of the Slipknot box unboxing thing, I suck at opening boxes, so don't fucking judge me, please. Why am I saying please? You're gonna do it anyways. Ow! I fucking cut myself! Bitch! Ow! Cunt! Fuck! Ow! I guess. So that's why I get order a new phone and I freaking cut my finger. Love that. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay, bloody finger and all. That's alright, no problem. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole iDoes money shot thing because it is fragile. I don't want to fuck anything up. But like... Oh shit, there it is. Oh, this is awesome! This is awesome! I got one of those dongle things because, yeah, you need one. Because it doesn't have any fucking headphone jacks compared to my iPhone 6. But here it is. Oh my god, yes! Oh yeah, boy! It's fucking red. Look at that. That's actually red. That's awesome! Oh! It's got the poppy. Hold on. Oh, you little cunt. Ready? Why isn't it popping? It's not popping. Woo! Fucking Jesus. Okay, alright. Next one. Actually, let's do two at a time. That's satisfying. Ready? Yeah, boy. Yeah! New phone! Fuck yeah. Woo! I'm excited! This is actually going to be my last video on my iPhone 6 because tonight after work I'm going to wipe everything off that and put it onto here. Onto here, I mean, not my dick. Why did my dick sound like that? No reason. Still got a bloody sliced finger. Love that. And this is, yeah, these are my cases. I decided to get two because these ones I really liked. And they were cheap as well, so fucking why not? Oh, that is. Ooh, it's actually pretty nice. It's like black denim sort of one. Oh, this one's sick too. And this sort of like red gothic sort of looking thing. Thing is though, you know, you have the camera, and this is my iPhone 6 case. You have the camera there, but when you close that up, oh, actually, sorry. When you're trying to take a picture and it's like that, see the phone hole's covered. So, pardon me, another burp. Woo! But yeah, you can't take photos with that because it's closed up and you have to keep it open, which is fucking annoying. So with these, I might have to cut a hole in there just to get the thing going. But oh my god, I have a new phone. Ah, this is awesome. Fucking drink to that. I am in a good mood. I'm sleep deprived, but fuck. 64 gigs too. Ooh-wee. Okay, should we actually let's actually open it up. I was gonna keep it like that, but no, let's just fucking open it up. Whoa, that was satisfying. And this is not a professional unboxing, like there is actual unboxing. Leading finger. So this is the iPhone SE 2020 model. Open this shit up. Oh, I was expecting there to be the phone. That would have been a good money shot. Designed by Apple in California. Ow! Holy mother of titty balls. It's fucking red. Holy shit, dude. Now I know like the iPhone 6 and the iPhone SE aren't very different in size and stuff, but it's a brand new phone, which I like. But it's not too different from the iPhone 6, which is, you know, iPhone 6 is all good as it is. But this is just like new and it's fresh and fucking better camera. Yeah, this is the product red thing. Oh, what the fuck? Wait! There's fucking AirPods in here. I did not think I'd be getting AirPods. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the? Oh. They're not AirPods. Wait, no, yes they, no? Yes? No? What are you? It has a cord. Oh, they've hidden. They hid the fucking cord. Look at that. It's there. Oh. Actually, I don't even care because AirPods are pretty shit anyways. I feel like I'd lose them way too easily. Oh my god. Charging cord. Charging plug. Bam. Ba-dam. Bam bam bam. I have a new phone. Fuck yo ham. Ham is made out of big pigs. Big pigs. Little pigs make pretty shitty ham. Big pigs. Best ham. Pardon me. Fuck. I'm... Woo! I mean, this ain't gonna be too different. This is just the dongle, like, you know, it's nothing too crazy. $15 for that. Damn. I should say 15 New Zealand dollars, because I don't know how many international viewers I have, if any. But, oh, dude, I'm wrapped with that. Woo! So, yeah. All my recordings, everything, my whole life will be centered around this new thing. So, fuck yeah. Alright, and yeah, this will be my last video on my iPhone 6, so, thank you to the iPhone 6 for, you know, helping me out. I'm, like, stroking my eyes up and down it. That sounded weird. But thank you for the recording and for helping me out for the last, how many years? I've had you since 2016. Nearly 4 years, because I got it in October. Anyways, thank you for watching. I know this has been a weird video, I don't usually do these, but I thought this would be a rather big thing since it costed me a lot of fucking money. But regardless, follow me on TikTok, DemonHook101, and my main Instagram, DemonHook101, and my art page, DemonHook Art. I don't even know why I say this anymore, you guys are probably used to it. But yeah, DemonHook Cosplay as well. All of those are in the description, you can check them out. Go follow me, subscribe, like the video. This has been weird, I'm sleep deprived and I'm drinking Monster Import to get me up, but like, I'm excited. Holy shit. Anyways, there, that's it. New phone, new me. Not really, but you know. Sounds funny when you say it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.
Fucking Jesus.